We're excited to actually meet the Lennys. That's what everybody calls us here. And we're third generation in this business, named after our grandfather. Lenny, why don't you take off about our Nonno Leo?
Yeah, so our grandfather Leo, he came to this country with the knowledge and passion of working with natural stone. And very early on, I adopted it along with my cousin Lenny. That really lent itself to the beginning and birth of Granite Gold.
Yeah, Granite Gold. Like I said, this goes way back. So our grandfather was in the stone business, which led to my father, Pete, to get into the fabrication installation side of the business. And my father's had a company for 40 years out here in San Diego. And my cousin Lenny, almost 30 years ago?
26 to be precise.
26. He looks great, doesn't he? 26 years ago, Lenny got into the restoration maintenance side of it. So Lenny was fixing damaged stone. And there was nothing really out there in the marketplace, right, Lenny?
That is absolutely correct. With every project that we performed and completed, the question from the customer was, well, now you did such a great job, how do we care for it? So that's when we had the aha light bulb moment.
And that was the big thing too, is no one really knew where to get stone care products, and they spent thousands of dollars on their new countertop, and they didn't know what to use, and ordinary household cleaners damaged stone, and a lot of people didn't even know that. So for us, we wanted to make a product that Granite Gold fans can use.